Alright, boys and girls and boys and girls and girls and boys, this is David. He's back here once more. That's the title of this song, and we'll be back many times, I believe. Perhaps you remembered Backstreet Girl, Sleep Well, The Bridge, I believe, was also covered here on Gordon Guitar. That's a couple of songs from David, so we love him here. This time, once more, like I said, a great song, and we're going clean here, no need for any cape on this one. 4 chords, that's what we need. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the D minor 7. So what I do here, I place a bar on the first fret over the B and E string, the last 2 strings there, and then I just place the second fret on the G string, my middle finger, like that. And we also incorporate the open D string. So open D, second G, first B, and first E. That's what you need. Next chord is the G7, and that will be third on E, second on A, then open D, open G, open B, and first E. We have then the C major 7, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then you shift to the A minor 7 like this. You keep the second fret on D string there. So anyway, open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. There you have the chords. And the song will go in this way through the entire song in that order. The D minor, the G7, C major 7, and A minor 7. So yeah, you can play this in 2 different ways. You can play this with just 1 down per chord and long breaks in between. And then of course you need to really let the strings ring out. So something like that. It could be a bit boring, even if the song is great and the lyrics as well, but you can incorporate more of a strumming pattern for this one. And if you do that, then we will play like this for the D minor 7 and all the other chords: down, down, clap, down. So one round is, and you will play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So on. And that pretty much covers Once More by David. So if you're a David fan, feel free to subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure pretty soon. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and till next time, like always, play tuned.